Thanks for coming back to the channel, guys, and checking out this quick 3-minute video, using it as a little buffer between our Polaris slingshot videos. Part 2 is going to drop in a couple days. Thought I'd show off Kevin's dip job he got on his Ryker 900. Looking clean. ThrillMouseMoto. So I noticed something else different about this. I strapped some cameras to the 91 Miata. Thought it'd be cool. Kevin was itching to ride. He had his bike, he had his Ryker in the shop recently, and it was like his first day, full day of having it back. I said, hey, let's test something out. So you can see the trunk cam back there. That's how I'm getting that shot. And then I have a cam just there in the corner with some suction cups that do this side view. You're going to see, bam, look at that angle. It shows his Ryker paint job, dip job in full glory. What color even is that? I don't know, but it looks cool as hell. Cruzy up in Dallas, you know, his channel. I want to say he was the one that said it was like a cherry Dr. Pepper type of thing, and that's definitely something that's going on in this lighting here. But in the sun, man, that thing's all over the place. It's like a bronze, sometimes like a burnt orange like thing, and sometimes it looks plain reddish maroon, but it always goes to black in some type of angle. But it's super sick. I'll get you guys some more footage of that. But you can see my little camera job there, and I was too scared, so I tied that wire. I wanted to show that. There's one in the back too, you can see, tied to the roll bar there going, because I mean, dog, those are my DJI, those are my main cameras, and I got one camera in my hand. I'm not trying to lose them goofing around like this, but it's all test footage. Like I said, I'm not trying to make it seem cooler than what it is. It's only a little 3-minute video, but it's kind of the thing we're trying to work on, get you guys some cool shots. I know sometimes it can be a drag seeing the same, you know, helmet cam and things like that, but man, these Rykers, they got some more angles. I don't know, when I was looking forward to buying one, I wanted to see, you know, what I really looked at it, you know, what it looked like from the side, the back, all these things. So if I can help out with that, that's cool. I know a lot of people that watch the channel are looking forward to buying one and want to know these things, but I also wanted to show off his little marker light there, that little scrolling light. It's way too cool. Well, look forward to the next video. It's the Polaris slingshot, and I got more Ryker videos coming soon.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, ThrillMouseMoto.